Okay guys, if you have a 2002 Toyota Sequoia with the 4.7 or any 4.7 and you think the engine is seized because you tried to put a breaker bar on it and it wouldn't turn, first thing you want to try before you give up on this engine is pull the starter. So check this out. Here, this is our new starter here. See that cap right behind the gear right there? That's actually a seal that holds bearings. See those bearings down in there? See, about half of them are missing. The cap is down in there, and so is the bearings. The only repair for this is because there is no access holes, probably to pull the tranny to get them out. But we could not turn this engine over. It tricked us. We thought the engine was seized, and it ends up the starter caused it. But now we have those bearings and that tin down inside there. So I'm just making this video to let you know that if you think your Sequoia is seized, but there was no reason why you thought the engine should have been seized, no overheating problems, no dry oil or no oil issues, then check out this starter. Pull your plenum and check out this starter just in case. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.